Welcome. It's Krista again from the Mount Gambria Library, and we're on to our next step of making our circuit. So the next one we're doing is going to be putting in a motor, and we're going to make a fan out of it. This is what we need from our box today. You're going to need to have the project you already completed from last week, as well as 2 more wires, red and black, a motor, and your tape, and a pair of scissors to cut your tape. So now we're gonna take and add in an extra wire to our long piece of wire that we left hanging out last time. Remember how to twist them? You put them together and you just twist, twist, twist like that. And I want you to leave those hanging because you're gonna need them. Now do your black wire and put the 2 ends together and twist, 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 leaving the end. We're gonna thread it through. If you can tell, this is your motor, and there's little holes in these little bits that are sticking out. Stick one through, bend it over into place, and do the same sort of twisting action and twist it on there nice and tight. And this motor doesn't have a positive negative directional. Some things do, but this one, it will work from either side. So there we have it. There's our motor. Now let's see what happens. You can't hear it very well, but it's actually a quiet motor and it's running. So our motor's ready to go. And a little bit of tape around the other side. So if you're going to be adding this fan to something, you're going to need to be able to tape it on and get it in this little section. So I'm creating a hole in my box because I'm gonna have it in my box, just like in the other one. There it is, put into place. And I can now add some pieces of my electrical tape folded over. Now I've got 2 blades to my fan, but I need 2 more. So some more electrical tape. And we'll just cut that in half again. And I'll pinch it in the middle, leaving a little bit showing. And just add it to the edge right there. 3 blades and our last 4th blade. There we are. Now let's see how that works. We've got our light and our fan going. Good job us.